Welcome! Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable event subscriptions notifications on your Facebook page using the app on your PC, especially with the new update. This feature helps you stay up to date with all the events you care about, so you never miss out on important updates or reminders. First, open your Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open a small menu. This is where you'll access your account settings and personalization options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open additional options, and here you'll want to click on Settings to enter the main settings area. Once inside the settings, look for Notifications on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to manage how and what notifications you receive from Facebook. Notifications cover everything from friend requests to comments, but for now, we're focusing on events. Within notifications, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Events. This section controls notifications related to event invitations, updates, and your event subscriptions. Now, you should see an option labeled Enable Event Subscriptions. Make sure to toggle this option on. By enabling it, you'll start receiving notifications about any events you subscribe to directly on your Facebook app. This means you'll get timely alerts about when events are coming up, or if there are any changes to the details. That's it. With these few straightforward steps, you can ensure you stay connected and informed about all your favorite events on Facebook. Keep in mind that Facebook's updates can sometimes change where settings are found, so if it looks a bit different, just look for similar terms like events and notifications in your settings. Enabling event subscriptions. Notifications is a great way to personalize your Facebook experience and never miss the events that matter to you. Thanks for watching.